I am Ananya Banerjee and today I've got a very innovative recipe for you. It's steamed prawn in spinach leaves. Now for this recipe, I've taken prawns. You can take small sized prawns also because size doesn't matter here. I'm going to make a paste of it. I'll add some onions to it, some green chilies, and give this a good mix. I don't want a fine paste. I want little bites of prawn, so it will be rough paste. Now prawn is made into a paste and mix the other stuff. Like I'll add some more onions to it, add some more green chilies. I'm adding one ingredient which is very quintessentially Bengali, kashundi. It's a mustard relish, some garlic, little bit, some ginger, finely minced. So I'm using zest of Gondhoraj Lebu or lemon and some juice of Gondhoraj lemon. This. I'm using some corn flour to bind, then a good mix. So salt to taste and little bit of dhania patta. This mixture is ready now. I am going to stuff this mixture in spinach leaves. I have blanched some spinach leaves, lightly blanched, and I am going to use that as wrapper for the prawns. Take the prawn mixture, keep it in the middle and roll it up so that it seals the prawns completely. Yeah. And then cover it up completely. I have set a steamer from before, so it is now nice and hot. I'm going to place these prawn wrapped spinach leaves in the steamer basket. Prawns doesn't take much time to cook, so this goes in this steamer basket and steams for 4 to 5 minutes. Moment of truth. So look at the color, lush green, and the prawn which is wrapped in spinach is absolutely ready.